In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show discount percentages on Shopify. We'll walk through everything step by step, so you can display clear, eye-catching discount percentages on your product pages or collection pages. This is really helpful for increasing conversions, because customers immediately see how much they're saving instead of having to calculate it themselves. First, make sure your products are set up correctly inside your Shopify admin. You'll need both a regular price, often called the compare at price, and a discounted price, which is your actual selling price. Shopify uses the difference between these two values to calculate the percentage discount. So, open your Shopify admin, go to Products, and choose a product you want to discount. In the Pricing section, set the higher, original price as the compare at price, and then enter your lower discounted price in the price field. Save your changes. If you don't have both of these prices set, the percentage won't be able to display properly. Next, we'll make sure your theme actually shows the discount percentage. Different themes handle this differently. Some modern Shopify themes have a built-in setting for showing percentages, while others require a small code change. Start by going to your online store, then Themes, and click Customize on your current theme. Look through the settings for your product cards or product information section. You're looking for a toggle or option that mentions showing discounts or savings as a percentage. If you see an option like Show Discount Label or Show Percentage Discount, turn that on and save. Then, preview your store and check a product that has a compare at price and a discount applied. You should now see something like Save 20% near the price or on the product badge. If your theme doesn't have that built-in option, you might need to add a small snippet of code. From the Themes section, click the three dots next to your active theme and choose Edit Code. Look for the file that controls product prices or product cards, usually something with price or card in the name. Inside that file, you'll often see where the compare at price and the regular price are displayed. This is where you can insert a calculation that takes the compare at price, subtracts the sale price, divides by the compare at price, and then multiplies by 100. That result is your discount percentage. Once you've added that logic and formatted it to show as a whole number with a percent sign, save your changes and refresh your storefront to test it. Finally, check your mobile view to make sure the percentage looks good on smaller screens. If everything looks clear and readable, you're done. You now know how to show discount percentages on Shopify.